everyone, my name is Thi Chan Bui. Today I am going to tell you about the iPhone. Today we are customized to the iPhone, which is a necessary advice. Every day we communicate and do many things on the iPhone, such as checking email and open Facebook. The iPhone is like a magnet that attracts most people. How do we feel if we let the iPhone during a day? We feel uncomfortable. We cannot ignore its innovation in our life. I know that most people concerned on the presence of the iPhone. In my speech, I will analyze some elements of the iPhone. To begin, we have a briefly on the iPhone developments and their features. The iPhone is fast and smooth. Next, the iPhone is easy to use and security advice. Finally, the iPhone is environmental friendly and intelligent advice. The iPhone is designed with iOS operating system that makes the iPhone run fast and smooth. Apple is developing the iPhone with iOS operating system. That is a wonderful software. Besides that, they designed the iPhone with processor such as 8 memories, simple cores that make the iPhone run fast. Additional this information, the iPhone is easy to use and security. Apple designed the iPhone with simple iOS version that makes the iPhone use simply. Every year, the iPhone is updated to version of iOS 12 that help the iPhone is used in security. That's why most people should update their device to iOS version 12. Also, the iPhone is environmentally friendly and intelligent advice. Apple concerned and began Clean Energy Program in 2015 to reduce carbon footprint. Also, they started pure material for the iPhone. The iPhone is designed with a device that can help people use special feature like we can download app and use with camera with new iPhone to measure great reading of heart. Also, it can be used in fitness. The iPhone is significant to our life and it is necessary to everyone. The iPhone is developing special feature of the device. They is developing other feature in the future to surprise customer. I believe the iPhone is your best choice.